Now that we're adding information to a log, we need to add a step earlier in our workflow to review that log before searching for news and generating a report. We'll do this the same way we set up our last AI node. We'll click the plus button between the schedule trigger and the AI agent nodes to add a new action. Next, we'll select AI, then Open AI. For our action, we'll select Message a Model. The action settings will load, and we can select a model from the dropdown. Next, we'll write a prompt, something like this. Your job is to review the linked Google Sheet to see what the previous daily briefs contained. The goal is not to repeat any fun facts or news stories. Generate a description for the next AI in the chain to understand which topics to avoid with the briefing. Whether we use a system or user prompt matters less for this node, since we're just giving it a single prompt and not providing any additional inputs. That said, I've selected System Message for this demo. Back on the canvas, click the plus button to add a tool to our AI node, then search for and select Google Sheets. Leave the operation set to Get Rows, then select the document and the sheet where the previously logged briefings live. Back on the canvas, you can click the play button above the new AI node to test this step and generate sample output data. Finally, we need to update the instructions for our main AI agent node so it understands what to do with this new information we're giving it. Open the AI agent node, then add something like this to the end of the prompt. Avoid the following topics. Then drag in the content variable generated as an output of the newly added message and AI model step. Next, run the AI agent node to test that it's working correctly with the new inputs and instructions that it's receiving. After a bit of processing, you should get a success message confirming that everything is set up correctly. And you'll be able to see what the AI agent wrote by looking at the output section in the bottom panel on the canvas or in the right panel of the AI agent node settings window.